Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out.
What's up, fight fans? Welcome back to another vlog of Fight Talk with Moji. And this vlog is another one dedicated to Aturto, and this is for Aturto 3.3 headlined by Con Jarbin versus Nilesh Chaudhary. ये vlog में मैं कुछ different add करना चाह रहा था, तो what I've thought is I'm gonna add a little bit of what the fighters go through before an event. Weight cut, it's something which is a very crucial part of the fight and the fighter's journey. बहुत सारे fighters बोलते हैं कि it's like a fight before the actual fight, and sometimes it's more difficult. Like fight is something that they truly enjoy, but weight cut is something that nobody enjoys. So I reached out to Con Jarbin. वो main event में fight कर रहे हैं, and he was cutting weight, and he was kind enough to tell me where he's at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go there and show you guys a little bit of the weight cut process. So I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Since it's the winter's time, it's already dark. Fighters are inside cutting weight. भाई लोग, how's everything?
इसका फर्स्ट टाइम है तो इसको मतलब नहीं सक रहे हो ईद को लेने के लिए।
किसका फर्स्ट टाइम है? निशाम? निशाम है क्या? निशाम, आई कांट सी। फ्रेश आउट ऑफ द ओवन। तीसरा का बेहोश तो नहीं हो गया?
So I'm cutting 4 kgs today. Winter's cutting
2 kilo 700 grams.
2 kilo and 700 grams today. Okay. And
some
2 kilos. Will this be the hardest part of a fight?
It is hard, but I don't think it's the hardest. The hardest is, I guess, sacrificing the time I could have spent with my friends and family and friends. So that's the hardest part for me.
MMA में घुस के एक चीज ये हो जाता है, you feel like you're missing your time with friends and all ऐसा हो गया. But when you do that, फिर you start missing training हो गया. So training miss कर हाँ.
Recovery के लिए क्या करते हो normally?
Just because we are hungry for so many days, that doesn't mean कि पूरा जितना भी दिन का
जो दिख रहा है वही खा लो, ऐसा नहीं है. हाँ. Your body won't be able to handle it, right?
एक protocol. Carbs more, less protein.
और 14 में से
74.45 हाँ इतना गिरा समथिंग
Right.
सब में अलग अलग
Round 2. हाँ.
ऐसे बैठ के देखो।
तो यहाँ पे शूज में आ जाऊँ?
हाँ कोई बात
बाप रे बाप.
नहीं, मेरे को कुछ भी नहीं है। याद आ ना ऐसा।
हाँ. तो इससे क्या हो रहा है?
इससे जो हॉट स्टीम निकल रहा है।
हाँ ज़्यादा गर्म रहता है
उसमें पावर लेटेंसी ज़्यादा रहता है।
Anyway,
बंद रहने से चलो ट्राई करता हूँ।
चलो बंद कर दो. बेहोश हो गया.
और 500 ग्राम है।
72.05 है तो ऐसा देखें तो
चलो अपना ही तरह का
पसीना आ गया तो? What barely what 15 seconds. So do you want to be a fighter? This is what it takes.
1 किलो ऐसा करते हैं और 1 किलो काटते हैं
So I'm going towards the venue now. तो मैं वहाँ जा रहा हूँ because पूरी टीम आ चुकी है वहाँ पे. इतनी भूख लगी थी मुझे. बाहर आते ही first thing what I did was have a KFC. तो मैंने जो 100 या 200 ग्राम लूज़ किया होगा उसका 3 गुना मैंने गेन कर लिया, put on कर लिया. So balance has been established. So this is the venue. This is gonna be the stage from where the white fighters are gonna walk out from. It's gonna go up. And in the middle is going to be the octagon. Okay, what is this that you're wearing?
It's a
Nahi, pashmina nahi.
Arunachali shawl.
Arunachali shawl. We've got some beautiful work. And this is the what? The 9th event? 9th event.
In 3 years.
And the first ever championship fight.
First ever champion क्या होगा? अभी हम लोग वही डिस्कस कर रहा था.
हाँ.
ये मेन इवेंट में क्या हो सकता है? We don't know. We don't know.
कल तो सपना भी है हमारे फाइटर का, लोकल फाइटर का। मुझे
को कमेंट में लिखना कि सपना क्या था,
सपना क्या था
अभी तक हम लोग को भी नहीं बताया है।
तो बेसिकली कल मुझे सपना आया, सपने में हमारे फाइटर कौन जार्बिन आए, लेकिन सपने में क्या हुआ मैं किसी को नहीं बता रहा हूँ, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू पुट आउट दैट एनर्जी बिफोर द फाइट।
Peripheral content.
गुड मॉर्निंग, अनदर डे अनदर मॉर्निंग इन ईटानगर। मैं जा रहा हूँ फॉर द फाइटर्स वे इन। थिंक इट हैज़ ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड, सो आई एम गोना गो देयर। क्लियरली स्लीप डिप्राइव्ड। ए Ronco.
Hello, made weight.
Made weight. Congratulations, bro. Mr. Jarbin. Mr. Main Event just made weight.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sir, just remind me the weight, sir. 57.05. 5.65.
So I did a bunch of interviews with some of the fighters fighting tomorrow. The face-offs are gonna start in about 45 minutes. Uploading my video. That was pretty much the setup. One-man army. Or what is PR? Team Revolution.
First event took place right here, so it's only poetic that Aturto is gonna crown its first champion in the same venue where it all started. So let's have a huge round of applause for the team of Aturto and all the fighters involved. Guys, come on, give it up. Team Revolution.
We also partly feel that it is in your shoulder to create the history. Do you think that is building pressure onto you?
Yeah, I'm built for the pressure. अगर मेरे से तो हम नहीं बनेगा, but I am going to.
The fighters that I'm gonna call upon is from the first bout.
कल आपका होम टाउन बॉय पहाड़ों में खोने वाला है। कल के लिए आप फोकस में परफॉर्मेंस जो होगा देगा जाएगा। बढ़िया चलो।
लेकिन कल आत्मा डाउन होगा। So 3.3 for the gold, for the championship, for everything. This is a historic fight, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to finish in. That's all.
Mr. Vic, night होगा, and हम आप सबको Christmas gift देंगे.
Thank you all for coming in tonight. Thank you all, guys. We're gonna see you tomorrow at Aturto 3.3.
It's the fight day today. What's very interesting about this event is the fact that there's going to be a film shoot that's going to happen in the middle of the event. It's exciting and I think people are going to enjoy it. I am on my way to Sango Avenue. That's where the Aturto 3.3 event is going to take place. Yesterday we did the face-offs. Amazing energy. The crowd was amazing as well. They seem to be very invested in the entire fight card and in the fighters. Looking forward to the fights and I'm going to see you guys in a bit. domination.
That's where he wants the fight to be.
Oh, these guys are both throwing now.
Swinging now.
And in the white. The crowd is going crazy.
Jatin Chaudhary is in trouble.
Oh, that was a nasty uppercut.
You've done
time, oh my God.
Oh, no,
What is
never stop.
That was brutal.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch. Always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't
weapons, yeah?
Everything. Goes for the first takedown of the fight and
he's locked in a triangle.
Khan might go out if he doesn't tap.
And it's done! Oh my God, beautiful work by Nilesh Chaudhary.
He silenced the crowd.
Here he mouths it to the camera. I told you.
A lot of people say, I don't care. If you had me, fuck you. Understand? My podcast is coming, I love that. Shoo!
Give it up for your featherweight champion, Aturto's first ever featherweight champion.
So we just got done with Aturto 3.3. Nilesh Chaudhary is the new Aturto featherweight champion. Impressive performance to say the least by Nilesh Chaudhary. In the co-main we had Nisham Bhai taking on Sandeep Baghel. Another dominant performance by Nisham Bhai. Just an amazing event, successful event, entertaining fights, high level technical fights as well. And yeah, I think that's it from this vlog, from this video. I'm going to see you in the next one, and until then, keep punching.